Hello students, today's topic is excretory process. The process of excretion in human beings can be divided into two steps. First is the urea formation, the major excretory nitrogenous waste, and second is urine formation. How urea formation takes place? Let us see. Amino acids, excess of amino acids present in the body, they undergo deamination. D means removal of amino group. We know what is the basic structure of any amino acid. It consists of hydrogen, one amino bond, one is carboxylic group, and R represents the side chain. This is the basic structure of a amino acid, which is common in all the amino acids. Only R, that is side chain, these are the different. The amino acids, they undergo deamination, means removal of this amino group. Now this ammonia, then it combines with ornithine and carbon dioxide, which is released as a result of metabolic activities in the body tissues. Let us see. Ornithine combines with ammonia and carbon dioxide and it produces what? Citrulline and water. And this citrulline, it combines further with ammonia and it produces arginine and water. It releases arginine and water. Arginine undergoes decomposition in the presence of enzyme arginase, and its hydrolysis takes place, means in the presence of water it splits up into, it forms two products, urea and ornithine. What is the basic structure of urea? The chemical structure, it is carbon monoxide, ammonia, and this is the chemical formula of urea. Let us see. Amino acids, they undergo deamination in the presence of enzyme oxidase and they release ammonia. This ammonia combines with ornithine in the presence of carbon dioxide and it forms citrulline and water. Citrulline further combines with ammonia to produce arginine. Arginine undergoes hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means it combines with water and breaks down to form urea and ornithine in the presence of enzyme arginase. This process of urea formation is called urea cycle, or this is also called ornithine cycle. Why ornithine? Because ornithine used is produced again, and Crabbe-Henseleit cycle, because after the name of the scientist who discovered this. So this is urea formation.